Hi, everyone. Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so now here we are at the Dollar Tree in their plus section. And I think we should walk around and take a look to see what they have. Come on with me, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is a great find for $5. I don't know exactly how they work, but I will find out and let you know. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And then clicking that like button and full watching the video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying my video. Now, I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music and I'll pop in and out of the video. Now, on July 1st, I'm going to be posting in the community tab a whole slew of collaborations that everyone can enjoy. They're all open invitations. Now, I'm also going to be posting all of my channels. So in total, I have 3. The main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And the second channel is this one, which is Simply Grace Lifestyle. And this one here is more home life. Now, I also have Moments of Grace and also Growing in Grace with Mom and Son. You don't want to miss that podcast or Moments of Grace, because there you'll get a lot of Bible teaching, you'll get devotionals, you will get prayer, all kinds of things, guys. You don't want to miss that. Now, what I did want to say is that YouTube lets me know how many viewers are watching my videos. And a large number of you love my content, but you're not subscribed. Remember, they don't charge for subscriptions to YouTube. And so I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And make sure and click that notification bell, because that's how you get notified every time I upload a video. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.